What does pending mean on Snapchat? So if you are sending some snaps and it will say pending, right? So to avoid that, what you have to do is first you have to open up your Snapchat. And after opening your Snapchat, now you have to take a snap. And after taking that, you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right corner. And now you can simply tap on any one of them. And then you can tap on send, which is on the bottom right corner. And now you can see that it is saying sending, or it can also say pending, right? So if you face this kind of issue, then what the problem is, you don't have your Wi-Fi connection. So you have to simply turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, anything, and after that you can, after connecting your Wi-Fi, you can see that it won't say sending or pending. If you see pending, then you have to simply open up your Wi-Fi or your data connection, and then after connecting your device with Wi-Fi or data, you won't find that issue. So that's it. That's how you fix your issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.